Hello everyone, we make together nougat, beautiful nougat. And this nougat is so easy because it's come from marshmallow. We make it in 8 minutes exactly. Wonderful, full of nuts, taste and really different. And most of all, it's so easy and it is successful from first time. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I promise you, I go all over the world to bring original recipe. Not only that, you must make it from first time and be very successful. Let's start. 30 gram butter, just medium heat. Non-stick pan, and then 100 gram nuts. It's 25 gram raisin, 25 gram almond, 25 gram any nuts you want. So 100 gram totals and 150 gram marshmallow. So easy recipe. 30 gram butter, then 150 gram marshmallow. And if you don't know how to make marshmallow, I leave the link below how to make marshmallow, so easy, in my channel. You stir with medium heat until marshmallow melted with butter. And then I need 50 gram milk powder. All you need 50 gram milk powder. For this quantity will become so tasty and very quick nougat. As you see, slowly marshmallow melted and got the flavor aroma of butter. Then I added 50 gram of milk powder. Keep stirring, mixing all together. You can see you must bring all edges to make sure milk powder dissolve inside the marshmallow with butter. And then I can add 100 gram mixed nuts. Any nuts you want. You can make it with only pistachio, with only almond, whatever you want flavor. You can add your own mixing nuts. Then quickly I pour into small container to be square shape, high like 2.5 gram, 2.5 centimeter. I press to be all equal size. And then I just leave it in room temperature almost 6 hours. And then I cut easily the size you want, and your nougat marshmallow ready. Believe me, so tasty, especially when you roast the nuts. As my father always say, don't work harder, just work smarter. One of the best nougat recipe you will ever make. Thank you for being my channel, Ahmed Younes.